What's up guys? So today I'm going to unbox the survival bracelet. Let me know if you guys want me to give away this survival bracelet or not. Today I'm just gonna unbox it. Basically, I think so far it have a fire starter and a whistle, and also you got some amount of feet of rope. I'm not sure, I think it's 10 feet of rope. So basically you put this around your wrist and just always have it on you, because basically it's a survival bracelet. It will come in handy in any little survival situation, whether you want to start a fire or get someone attention by blowing the whistle, or maybe climbing a hill with the rope. So I'm just gonna unbox this survival bracelet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Here we go. Let's get out our unboxing knife, which is I have right here. Let's get that out right there, and let's start to unbox this thing. So there's some things around here. Here you guys can read more what's it saying. So it's made from 550 pounds, tensile strength, includes flint and steel, fire starter for camping, built-in whistle, blah blah blah, and the length of the rope is 10 feet, which is longer than the average human, so that's a good length. So here we go. Let's cut this like that, and cut that like that. Now it pops off just like that. Get that there, and there you go. That's the survival braces right there. We can get rid of this thing. Oh, you guys want a closer look? Let me give you guys a closer look. Here we go. Pretty nice. So here, pretty good. Top view right there. It's nice. Trust me, it's nice. So I'm gonna test out these features right now. So as I said guys, it comes with a fire starter, which is this thing right here. So I guess you should strike it like this on this, and you should see sparks. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. So if you look closely, you'll see the spark. You saw that? The spark. You guys can see the spark? Yeah, so at least we know it works. And it also said it should have a whistle. I'm guessing this is a whistle right here, as you guys can see in that hole right there. That's the whistle. So I'm gonna blow in it right now, and I'll tell you guys if it works. So here we go. So yes, it definitely worked. So but I'm kind of skinny though, but I know for some big guys this will fit perfectly on their hands. But so far, I mean, it looks pretty good. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good on my hand. I think I'm gonna wear this every day if I don't give it away to one of you guys. Just let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to give this away. I will surely give it away to you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.